Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to set an automatic reply in WhatsApp Business and wondering how to do so in today's video, we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just get started. You can start by opening up the WhatsApp Business on your device. And once you open up WhatsApp Business, you can log in if you're not logged in yet. Once you are here, what you need to do is you need to go over to your WhatsApp Business tools, access it up right away. For that, look out for the tools option in the bottom right corner and go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you should be accessing your tools, your business tools. And under here, you may just scroll down and you should be finding a section for organizing your chats. You just need to go ahead and find the option for away message. So find the option for away message and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can just go ahead and enable this option. So look out for the toggle option right beside it and enable it. And once you go ahead and enable it, you can just go ahead and customize your message. So you can tap on the pen icon right beside the away message. And when you do, you can just go ahead and customize the message. I'm just going to leave it as it is. After that is done, you can click on OK and confirm it up. You can tap on schedule if you'd like to schedule it, like if you want to always send it custom schedule or outside of business hours. After that, you can select the recipient as well. Let's select it as everyone for easier. And once you are okay with it, you can tap on the save option in the top right corner and save the changes. Now here, once you do so, once you save up your settings, whenever anybody will be asking some questions regarding your business or DMing you, it will automatically reply in their chats, and that way you can access it up. So therefore, if you'd also like to set an automatic reply in WhatsApp, these are the method you can follow up. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.